My name is Ashpreet Kaur. I head the contact center at Godrej Capital. It's been 3 years. I'm working with Godrej Capital, heading their contact center, managing a team of approximately 40 people. So for women, the very known challenge is gender biasness. Of course, I've been in customer service, managing customers throughout my career, 15 years. It has been a little bit challenging when it comes to perceptions from some leaders saying कि ये नहीं कर पाएगी, इसमें travel करना पड़ेगा, इसमें extended hours है, she's a woman, she'll not be able to do it. But we need to break that barrier. We need to change that perception. I have been able to do it. I'm sure everyone else will also be able to do it. My journey started with Godrej Capital as a manager. Currently, I am heading an entire team. I'm the head of contact center. That's how I have grown. And I'm sure even other women will be able to if their focus is in the right man. It was a startup. It was at its starting phase. In fact, just prior to my joining, the first anniversary with our first loan was celebrated. So for me, representation is not just enabling a gender. It is about enabling a spectrum of diversity and to help them reach their potential. In fact, I have a team of 40 people, out of which I have 25 from diversity. So I was years ago I was married, and after my divorce I decided to focus on my career completely. My family has been a great support. My brother, he's a strong pillar who takes care of my family in my absence while I can focus on my career completely, and that's how I've been able to be there. Without them, it was just not possible. Along with my brother, of course, my mother, she's quite strong. She takes care of all three of us. For example, I go to work, my brother, my sister-in-law, while she's a stay-home mom, she takes care of the house. We have a dog, my dad and my grandmom. These are two strong people because of which I am able to be where I am today. Like after work, I love spending time with my family. I have a dog. It's a beagle. His name is Oreo. I take him for a walk. I play with him, and that's like on weekdays. Usually on holidays, I love traveling. One advice from my mentor definitely is embrace failures as a learning opportunity. The moment you start looking at failures as a learning opportunity, it becomes a positive approach. It helps you, learning from what you couldn't do to what you have to do further.
मैं महिंदर कौर अशप्रीत की मम्मी हूँ। मेरी बेटी पर मुझे गर्व है, बहुत अभिमान है मुझे अपनी बेटी पर। वो बचपन से ही बहुत अच्छी थी, पढ़ाई में बहुत होशियार थी, अव्वल आती थी। 1 to 10 में वो रिज़ल्ट आता था उसको फादर रिज़ल्ट देते थे। अभी वो काम पे लग गई, फिर धीरे धीरे बढ़ती गई। फिर गोदरेज कंपनी में आई, वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा काम करती है और हम लोग को देखती है। मेरे हस्बैंड हैं, वो हैंडीकैप हैं, उनका भी बहुत ख्याल रखती है। एक मेरा बेटा है, वो भी बहुत अच्छा है, वो हम लोग को देखता है। फाइनेंशियली भी बहुत ख्याल रखती है हमारा।
More than 2.5 years I've been working with Ashpreet. As a person, she's very fun-loving. When she's on the floor, it feels alive, and everyone knows that. As a manager, she's very approachable. She's solution-oriented. She always ensures she's there for her team. Maybe the team is wrong or right, she ensures she's always there. Be it professional life or personal life, she's always there as a mentor. I always look up to her, and one day maybe I see myself doing what she's doing right now.
As a manager, she is someone who is super approachable. Even before I had joined the Godrej Capital's team, right? I got a call from her, and I did not feel like I'm getting a call from my manager, to be honest. She was generally asking me how your transition is going to be and if you need any help with the accommodation, because I was relocating. That was super helpful. It broke the ice which was supposed to be, and then whenever she gives the feedback, it's very constructive. I do not feel like it's a harsh feedback. That's very nice, and I really look up to her because her leadership style is very collaborative. She involves the team suggestions while making the crucial decisions.